Hi guys, just wanted to make an update video on similar parts I'll be getting in the mail. Yesterday I got my new downpipe. If you saw my previous video, I had an eBay downpipe. It was like, I don't know, 70 bucks. It was a solid pipe, there was no flex pipe. And when I tried to put it on the car, the flange angle was so far off that when bolted up to the turbo, the downpipe basically like pointed at the ground. Like it wasn't. There was no way that I could have made it work. Well, I guess I could have cut it up and have it re-welded, but I didn't want to go through that trouble. I think I ended up just like cutting it in half, and it was like an open dump, like off the turbo straight down. It was just like open, just fumes everywhere, and yeah, it wasn't a good situation. But I just hacked it up just to make it work. But so this is what I ordered this time around. It's very similar, but this one actually has a flex pipe, because on the first dump pipe I had. When I make the side exit exhaust, I had an issue with like bottoming out, and I would actually scrape the exhaust everywhere. And being like a solid piece of metal, the turbo actually took like the stress of that, because I mean, there's nothing to absorb anything or deflect the hits. With a solid piece of pipe, you hit the pipe, and it could screw up the turbo. I guess it could even like crack it. Worst case scenario. I like how it came with a new gasket, because mine is pretty shot, has new bolts, and I still happen to have lost a couple flange bolts there. So yeah, it's got a little bung for an O2 sensor, so that's where my upstream sensor would go. And just to kind of help me pass state, I also ordered the test pipe. This guy here, so this guy sticks at the end of the dump. Let's see, something like that. So yeah, dump pipe, test pipe, and this guy actually has another bung for an O2. So this is where the downstream O2 sensor would go. And I guess what I could do is like put some like non-foulers or space it out, or at least have a chance at passing state like that. And I didn't realize, I thought this was just like gonna be like a hollow piece of pipe, but there is like a mesh inside of there, and it might even be fiberglass. Like, I don't know if I can actually catch that, but if you, let me turn the brightness up. Yeah, there it is. You can see it. There's actually a mesh inside of there. So I thought that was kind of cool, because it could actually, lower the volume of the exhaust, make it a little bit quieter, not so obnoxious, because it's pretty loud with just the open downpipe. So yeah, this is what I got. I'm gonna probably stick this on sometime this week, get my new tires mounted and balanced, and I'm gonna take the car to the track, to the quarter mile locally, to see what it runs on like 8 psi before I actually do the forged bottom end and up the boost to whatever, 15, 20 to start, 25, 30 end goal. But yeah, with 8 psi, honestly, I don't know, with those cheap $35 tires, I don't know where it's going to be. I mean, I'd be happy if it's like a 14.9. Basically, if it touches 14s, that'd be pretty cool. But I'm not, expecting too much out of it. Probably like a 14.9 at 92 mile an hour. I don't know. I have no idea what to expect. But yeah, all right, that's where I'm at so far. I'll be installing all this stuff in the next couple days. So, all right, if you like where this is going, please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.